Today we're going to get some more security in our lives. We just got in the new Sansi Stellar Cam. It is a video camera with an LED security light. So let's unbox it, install it, and check it out. All right, the Stellar Cam. It's got an app so that you can get motion alerts on your phone. You're able to do two-way video calling on either side so that you have the ability to talk to people if they're coming up. You're able to adjust the light, and it's got storage internally so that you can have it on there if you need it. All right, so it looks like we got the user manual here on how to put it together. Congratulations on buying it. Light up your world. This is going to be the gasket to install it. All right, it's there in the box. I think we're going to have our installation equipment in here. Yep. There's our mounting bracket, wire nuts, and the screws to attach it. All right, so we've got the video camera there, the motion sensor, the LED lights. And let's look at the back here, the wires to install it. Of course, you got the ground, you got the hot and the neutral. Shows you here that it can be damp, it can be dry, wall mounted. So on the top, you see that it's got the antenna to attach to your Wi-Fi network. It's got the speaker to talk to the people. It's got your microphone right here so that you can hear the people. And unlike a regular security light, it doesn't have any kind of adjustment functions here because everything's going to be controlled in the app. First things first, you need to turn to your trusty stripper. Go ahead and take these wires down just a little bit, maybe like a 1/4 inch farther, so you have enough to get there in that wire nut. All right, now let's jump outside and get our stuff connected. We're going to go ahead and get our mounting clip in. I like to throw a little electrical tape on each wire just to make sure it's got a little bit of protection there. Just make sure nothing gets in there, nothing crosses. Even though we got the wire nut on there, I want some extra protection. All right, you finish attaching your wires. You tighten the center screw to make sure it's nice and tight. You want to make sure that the waterproof gasket all the way around is not impeded. Once you're done, it's got a little white plug that you put over where the screw hole is. You're able to adjust your lights and adjust your camera. Turn it on, hook it up through the app.
Step 1, fix the mount.
In the bottom left-hand corner, you see you can turn on and turn off the light. You can have sound or no sound. And in the center, you can press the microphone button to talk to people on the other side.